Hello, let me show you 3 tips what to do if you want to receive phone calls in your Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, start by opening the settings, and quite easy thing, go to the connections and make sure that the airplane mode is off, because when it's on, then it's blocking all of this kind of the connection, like for example Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and also the mobile data. Also, we have to make sure that you are gonna disable blockers. So we have to verify that do not disturb mode is actually not active. So we have to go for modes and routines. And when you go out, or maybe not here, sounds and vibration actually. And here we go for do not disturb mode, make sure that it's off. But also what you can also verify by going to the phone dialer, and go for these 3 dots, go to the settings and check for block numbers. So there's a chance that someone that is calling you it's actually set his number into the private number. So when you get enabled that option to block calls from unknown numbers, this is the reason why he cannot call you. Or if someone actually report the number and you've got enabled block spam and scam calls, it's also a chance that this is the reason why you cannot receive call from this number. But also you can get this number on the block list, so make sure that it's not here. And the last step that I can give you, well, just go for the settings one more time, scroll all the way down for general management, next go for reset, and here just try to reset that mobile network settings. Let me know if it was useful.